So how do you remove the keypad vibration on your Android phone? Let me explain it, and if you're new here, subscribe and we can get into it. So when you get to the phone app, you can see we have the keypad as usual, where you can tap the numbers and dial the number in. But if you want to turn off the vibration whenever you tap any of the keys, you can still be inside of the phone app. Click the three dots in the top right and proceed to settings. In here, plenty of different things, but I want you to go to the option for more stuff about this, right? So if we go to the call alerts and ringtone, we have the vibrations when answered, vibrate when call ends, and so many other things which you can definitely play with. But at the bottom entirely in this call alerts section, we have vibrate for keypad taps. And that's the thing which you are looking for. You know, whenever you tap the numbers in your keypad, it might make a vibration or not. And this is the toggle which makes the decision about it literally, right? So you can control it in here. And once you come back, it should be now set normally. So that's what you can do. Outside of that, if you mean the keypad tabs for the keyboard, which I don't think you do, but just in case, I'm going to show it to you how you can disable it for the keyboard of your Android. So you would go to the main settings app, then the general section, general management, and part of the Samsung keyboard settings, we can go to the swipe, touch, and feedback. And in there, we can as well tap on a touch feedback, and there is the vibration, but this time it is just for the keyboard clicks. So not the keypad for numbers in the phone app, but generally for tapping the keyboard. So that's a bit of a different thing, but a similar principle. So let me know in the comments below if you managed to find what you are looking for specifically. Subscribe for more, and I'll see you later.